Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on LinuxMint 22.1. First open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Click on download. See here at the time of installation the latest version is 7.1.8. Then click on Linux distributions. See here we don't have the LinuxMint in this list. Okay, open terminal, /etc os-release. See here its code name is like Noble and its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, so Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So click on this Ubuntu 24.04. See, once we clicked on download started and its size is 103 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to the terminal again. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i. Then VirtualBox. Give the tab to autofill entire package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now go to applications, then search for VirtualBox. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. Let me maximize it. Now verify the version. Help. Then about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. Let me close this one. Now we will see how to install VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, go to the Firefox again. Go to home page. Then click on download. Then see here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Read this license agreement and click on this accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack. It will open the VirtualBox again. Click on install. Select, read this license agreement and click on this I agree. Then provide the password of sudo user. Then click on authenticate. See, it is installing. See, we have successfully installed. Okay, so now go to downloads ls. This file is not required anymore, so remove both. Also remove VirtualBoxes. Okay, so we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on LinuxMint 22.1. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.